hear him?
Yeah, I just
That's Chewy.
Well, he's at peace. He's enjoying it.
So the banana splits came out good, huh? And you almost didn't have any banana.
I know.
What's a banana split without banana?
She wouldn't have noticed it. Nobody would have noticed, but I told her.
I think she'd have noticed, but she'd probably be too polite to say anything.
Well, I probably would have thought this is how he makes banana splits.
It's the vegan way.
That's the feed. No, it's like, that's what Stan said he wanted. It's like, okay. Careful what you wish for,
Yeah.
because you just might get it.
Look at that. I was like, is she nuts?
It's okay, Gordy. It's alright. It's okay. You good boy. So do you didn't have to go to the bathroom, maybe? He's sleeping. He's sleeping. Oh my gosh. He sounds like he's growling almost.
He's dreaming.
Are you sure it's him and not him?
No, it's, I've never heard